If you're using NordVPN and want to protect more than one device, it's actually really simple. In this video, I'll show you how to share your NordVPN account across multiple devices. By the way, if you don't have NordVPN yet, there's a link in the description where you can try it out for a great price. Now, NordVPN lets you use one account on up to 6 devices at the same time. That means you can protect your phone, your laptop, your tablet, and even share it with a family member or someone in your home, all with the same login. The easiest way to do this is to just download the NordVPN app on each device. It works on Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and even some smart TVs. Once you install the app, just sign in with the same account and connect to a server. That's it. If you want to protect devices that don't support VPN apps, like a game console or an older smart TV, you can install NordVPN on your router. That way, anything connected to your Wi-Fi is automatically protected. Just keep in mind, not all routers support VPNs, so you'll want to check NordVPN's website for setup guides that match your router model. And if you ever hit the 6-device limit, you can simply log out of one device and sign in on another. You don't need a second subscription, so if you're looking to keep your devices secure or want to share VPN protection with others in your home, NordVPN makes it really easy. Again, if you're ready to get started, use the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price.